So this is how the food looks like, man. Appetite for town.
Garingo. Garingo.
Remove. Some sardine in that, so we're using it to support. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Cinder. I'm back again. So after sharing the clothes to the kids at Waraba Beach in Winneba, I requested to try some of the local dish they have over there, and they told me that they have one called Gari Ngo. So basically, it's Gari infused with red oil, a popular food for the people at the coastal areas in Ghana, especially the fishermen. They love this food because it stays with them for long, and that's a very easy and simple recipe to try and to prepare. And trust me, you love it also. So if today is your first time watch, make sure you share, you subscribe to the video for more updates. Man, I'm here in Warababa, in a community in Winneba, and we're about to prepare a local food called Garingo. So basically, it's like eba. Hold on, Pachamba. It's like eba, yeah. And they have a way they make this Garingo. So I'm here and I want to dine with this locals over here. We have our pan with salt inside, and this is the palm oil. Okay, this is the palm oil, and it is what it is. So as I said, it's like eba. So the Gari goes inside, and they start to stir it together with the salt and the oil. I'm so funny, Garingo. I'm so funny, Garingo. Yeah, but I'm so good. I'm going to come on. Oh, yeah, if you ever now go on yet. Ghana for our new good on yet. Oh, yeah, then the way that's as I say. So, as I said, it's a local food over here that they have over here in this community, and this community is a fishing community, as you can see. And they also make Gari, so this is kind of the smoked thing. Now we're adding some hot water to the Gari, and it goes like that. Okay, so fishermen love this food because of the Gari and the palm oil. The content, it gives them that energy. It's very heavy after eating. Man, the aroma of the palm oil is coming out. It's amazing. So basically, it's like doing eba with hot water or Gari with hot water. So the only difference is that this red oil is being added to it to make the difference. Okay, so you can make your own kind of stuff, and this can be served with any soup, stew, hot pepper. But in this video, I will be serving with I have some sardine, yeah. So we'll be trying some UK sardine with the locals over here for them to give me the taste how it is, yeah. You change it levels in there. Okay, this is for sure. Okay, Garingo, are you know?
Melon.
I'm shout out to Adi. Okay. Now shout out to the Kisa. Hey, sister, my check on dread. I may feel style baby. Oh, mamma. So basically it's done. It's done like this, and we're about to stir our hot pepper, and we go with it. So we have our pepper over here. After come on. After come on. You down. Wow, shit. What we brown? Yeah, so as I said, we'll be doing this with some sardines. Yeah, I brought some sardines, avocado, and some tomatoes. The tomatoes they bought is very small, so I'll be using some of the thin tomatoes I brought from UK to support. What would I say? To support the do, yeah. No. So I have this three stuff over here, the sardine, and I think two with tomato sauce, and I have this chopped tomatoes over here. This is just washing soup for plates, yeah. So I'll give this thing to them. Yeah, tomatoes. What you trying to do? Yeah, they hold that. Yeah, sardine. And that. The Benica hold on some. No, had it. Scuba Siniana. School are they?
School nana.
What's yellow? Our side.
Our panano.
Oh, okay. So basically, it's all going. The mobile from our one. Our codo. It's a mood we are watching there. I'm gonna say a pana. Your friend. It's a baby. No, amazing beach. Amazing. You know, our first time and I cham the difference man.
or what? Channel quiet.
Which one? Odim.
But you're there fine.
Yeah, higher the boy higher. And then take man the
Garingo with
man, this is Garingo. So this is how the food looks like, man. Appetite for town.
Galungo. Galungo.
Remove. Wow, man, it's amazing.
Although you be
Man, this Garingo.
One shot and one shot.
This is Garingo. Wow.
Very nice.
It's not Ajiman de Bia Garingo.
Yeah.
Ajiman de Bia Garingo, man, Matasa. The first time is Garingo. Yes, pa, Yabobo. Wow, man. Garingo. Wow. And not today. Sorry, not today.
Nice.
Where about? Wow.
I've already knew a little where your man
Garingo.
You are.
You're doing the
Bachelor levels.
How many?
Yeah, levels. Wow.
Remove one.
Why you maybe at the back?
Put the guy become one about also. Muso be a guy, or somebody. Somebody be a guy. Uncle be somehow be a guy. And I'll be able to be. As I keep saying, the best place to be is this kind of area, man. Amazing. So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, I'm winning by whatever. Yeah? Let's meet again for Shizzle and Nizzle. I'm out. One. Brad Michael shorting. Brad Michael. Brad Michael.
A man, why you won't got to Garo, got to Gary be a new promo.
Many bro.
Sorry.
Really? Huh? Why I turn my turn on the beam? Man turn on the beam. And then one permit away.
Don't go.
Huh? Next time. Let's not be young, that's a column.